Are these privacy blue light blocking screen protectors going to be worth it for the 17 Pro? Let's find out. So when it comes to everything included, you got your screen protectors here, you've got that installation kit or the installation helper in the middle, and then right here you're going to have your bubble tool, so in case you have any air bubbles you can scrape those out. And then this is going to be the installation package, which is going to come with like your wet wipes and your cloth and all that, so basically a cleaning kit. So now I'm going to show you how to install the screen protector. It is a really easy process. All you're going to want to do first is place that 17 Pro in that installation helper. It fits right in, should have a nice snug fit. You're going to grab your screen protector now, and you're going to place these two ends right here, these little pokey ends. You're going to line them up right here with these two holes. So really simple, line those up and press them in. Now just close it up. Hold it down so it doesn't move, and you're going to pull that pull tab right here. So once it's fallen on there, open it back up. You can see that it is being applied. If you want, you can run your finger through it and get those air bubbles out, or even use the tool to get a nice smooth finish. Just get that tool, rub it across there. And once it's on there, all you have to do now is take off that protective film. And there you have it, your screen protector is nicely installed. Really easy process. And what's great about these is that not only are they going to be the privacy screen protectors, but you can see they're also anti-blue light. So if you're looking at your phone for a long time, you're going to have a lot less strain on your eyes because they're going to block that blue light out more. And it also gives off a purple gradient color if you put it more in the light and angle it. Overall, if you are looking for some screen protectors for your 17 Pro though, would definitely recommend these. Everything you need when it comes to a screen protector. It also comes in a 2-pack, so if anything were to happen to the first one, you have that backup. All around solid screen protector for the 17 Pro.